Hi, welcome. I'm Jackie Mahrou, and this is just going to be a short beginner yoga class just to give you a feel for what yoga is all about. If you like this class, you can head over to yogadownload.com where I have a 5-class beginner 101 series available. All right, let's get started. What you'll need today is a couch pillow or a bed pillow. And go ahead and come to a standing position, take your shoes and your socks off, and stand with your toes pointing directly forward. If it's not comfortable for you to stand with toes directly forward, you can turn them out slightly. The goal is to find comfort in every posture and to adapt each posture to make it work for you. Take your arms and reach them by your sides and turn your palms to face forward. Close your eyes here and just stand as tall as you can. Feel your feet against the floor and lengthen upwards to elongate your spine. Start to deepen your breathing. So you make each inhale longer and deeper than it normally is. And each exhale long and complete. And in yoga, we really pay attention to our breathing so that we can find more calm and a greater sense of presence. Open up your eyes. Now reach your arms up and over your head and just stretch up as tall as you can. Press down through your feet as you reach up and lengthen, but release any stress or tension in your shoulders as you reach. And you could widen your arms as much as you need to find comfort. Now, take your right hand and grab a hold of your left wrist. Turn your left palm to face directly forward. Lengthen up and out of your waist, and then lean over towards your right side in a side bend to stretch the left side of your body out. Keep both of your hip bones facing directly forward, as well as your shoulders, so your shoulders are side by side and we're not twisted at all through our hips or upper body. Settle into the posture and let your breath flow. And then release. Reach up and stretch, and we'll switch sides. Take left hand to right wrist, turn right palm forward, lengthen up, and then lean up and over towards the left. Check in to make sure you're not twisted through your hips or your shoulders, but both are facing forward. Try not to collapse into your left side, but really lift up as you lean over. Just a few more moments here. Keep breathing deep. And then release. Arms down by your sides. You can shake them out a bit. Reach back behind you, palms face each other. Stay right here, or you can interlace your hands behind your back. And then lift the center of your chest up wherever you are, and you could look up just slightly. And feel the stretch from shoulder to shoulder in front, in your pecs and chest and heart area. Feel free to bend your knees just slightly if that feels better in your low back. Make sure your breath can flow, you're not working too hard. And then release your hands. We'll move now to a balancing posture. If balancing on one foot is a challenge for you, which it might be if you're new at this, no problem, you can take your hand and grab a wall, or you can grab the back of a chair. Shift the weight of your body into your left foot. Take your right foot up and bring it into the inside of your ankle or your shin, or you can take your hand and grab a hold of it and place it on your inner thigh. Just find what feels better for you and know that it's okay to fall in and out. You can take your hands and bring them together right in front of your heart, or you can take them out wide. Try not to get frustrated if you lose your balance. Just let go of any judgments of yourself. The more you practice this, the easier it will become for your body. And if it doesn't, that's okay. You can always hold a chair. You just have to honor where you are Be present to yourself and accepting. That's really what yoga is all about. Release. We'll move into the other side. Right foot down. Now take left foot up to the inside of your shin, below your knee, or you can take your hand and grab a hold of your ankle and place your foot above your knee. Hands at heart center or out or wherever works. And try to look out in front of you instead of down at the floor, and fix your eyes on something that isn't moving. This will help you with your balance. Just let your breath flow naturally. And then release. Lower your left foot to the mat. Just take a moment to stand equally on 2 feet again, solid and stable. Now reach your arms up and over your head and take a deep breath in. And then release your arms down by your sides. And then have a seat on your yoga mat. Bend your knees and bring your feet just hip-width distance apart. And then you can either roll down or come down to till you're lying on your mat any way that you'd like to. You can move your pillow aside. And now place your pillow on the left side of your body, right at about knee height. Bend your right knee and draw it in towards your body. You can straighten your left leg gently out in front of you. Now with your left hand, guide your right knee across your body towards that pillow on your left side. And then reach your right arm out to the right, and you can bend your right arm like a cactus or a goalpost, placing the back of your hand towards the floor. If you want to feel a little bit more, you can move the pillow aside and let your knee fall closer to the mat. But find a place where you feel a good stretch, where it feels good, but nothing that feels too intense. You can turn your head to the right, or you can look directly up here. Now close your eyes and just follow your breath instead of your thoughts. And let yourself soften. Just let tension go here. And then release. Just come out gently and straighten your right leg out in front. Now take your pillow and bring it over to the right side. And then bend your left knee in towards your body, and you can straighten your right leg out. And then you can scoot your hips over if you need to, whatever you need to do to guide your knee across your body towards the pillow that's now on the right. And you can reach left arm to the left and bend your elbow like a goalpost. And that will help you get an opening through your left shoulder and pec. Look up or gently turn your head towards the left. Close your eyes here. And just see if you can relax and settle. And it's okay if you can't. Some days we're able to be more present than others. Just be in acceptance. Just feel all the sensations in your body. If you're having trouble staying present, just focus on your breath, in and out. And then slowly release. You can move your pillow aside, out of the way, and extend your legs out in front of you. You can bring them about the distance of your mat if you have one, or just in a place that's comfortable, and bring your arms by your sides with your palms facing up. If this position isn't comfortable for your body, Then you can roll onto one side in a curled up fetal position, curled up little ball. Find a position of comfort and close your eyes. This is final Shavasana. We take it at the end of every single yoga class, just to give us a chance to truly recharge, to be out of our heads and our thinking and fully in our body, giving ourselves full rest, quiet. And we'll stay here for just about a minute or so. Gently open up your eyes. And gather a deep breath in and let it out. And then roll yourself onto your right or your left side and press yourself up to a sitting position. Any position that's comfortable for you, or if you're able to sit cross-legged, you can do that as well. We always end by saying namaste, which just is a way of honoring each other. Breathe in, exhale, namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this class today and you want something longer and you want to keep exploring yoga, you can try some of my other beginner classes on this YouTube channel, or you can head over to yogadownload.com where I have that 5-class Yoga 101 series. Have a lovely day. Namaste.